And this is what Molly's does. Midnight decides to mount me arm and bite me here. Have you heard Timmy's bark? Look at bed's all over oil. Stuff all over. I don't care! We should... Do you know, I love this settee because it's all about time! Oh, thanks guys. Look at the love flowing out of my dog. Use it. This is what I said I'd fool everything. Oh, can I have a love? My love. Where are you? And there is James there. Every time I talk, he's here. He's going to scratch me. I know he is. Look at that claw there. Oh, it's getting closer to my face. Oh, look at his little tail waggling. Nice scratching my arm to try and... It's pulling my arm towards him, look. Straight laid down. Come here, Bean. Come here. And there's Molly there. Molly's going to go in pot kill soon because Molly gets very jealous, don't you, Moll? All of a sudden she'll dive up and run over to me. But she started it by mounting my arm. Yeah, look at her. Look how she's looking at me, wagging her tail. I've got this feeling somebody's watching me. Timmy! A flea dropped you yesterday. Don't shop at Wilco's. The flea drops are shit. Are you riddled? Head, shoulders, knees and toes riddled. Cheers, my loves. Cheers, my loves. I've only had... I think this is the second glass. Is it third? No, it's second because I spilled it all over the table like a tit. I can't believe I've got loads of craft stuff in one of them boxes. I'm going to wait until tomorrow to put the other one up because they are... What you've got to do is you've got to push them through and then there's a little like clip thing. You push the clip thing on. There are clip things on my table. Do you know, I'm sick of... I should learn to close my bags of glue up because I keep picking them up and they tip upside down. This is what's all over the floor at the minute. You see it? Let's chuck some on me then. Let's get some glitter on go. Get some glitter in air. Glittery hair. I mean, where's not want not? Gonna be has a lot. Oh shit. $57 and I'm pouring glitter all over me sen. See it? Shine bright like a diamond, shine bright tonight. That is getting on my nerves, that rash. Yeah, I know I've got glue on, but can't make glue what's caused that. I've been putting it on ages. It'd have done it by now. It's spreading down to my finger. There, look. Crazy, innit? I'm going to make an appointment at doctor's. There's a few things I want to see him about. This arm, for a start, what's constantly hurting. My thumb is well playing up. Somebody got me a thumb thing to hold my thumb in place. I think it's in my little cupboard over here. Oh, I can't wait to do some more in my bedroom tomorrow. But it's hard. I ain't got a very good pain barrier. So it's quite hard. It's too dry, that glue, so I need to rub it off this way. Hold you while you wait. I wish that I was good enough. Aren't we alright when I can't put any freaking music on? I'll have to get Mike out later. Get the mic out. Oh, I get so many lovely comments on TikTok. You don't think that you wouldn't think that because there's that many people goes on TikTok and that many people have their own TikTok profiles and make their own videos. I still get loads of compliments, so a lot of people watch me over there, a lot of people like me on TikTok and see through the lies and that. Not anybody's lies in particular, I mean just people lie, you know what I mean? I'll see if I can do that way. You could suck it. No, I might cough. Just sucked it up my nose. Right, my next houses I'm making, and I'm going to do them in between. God, I've got so much to do. I could do a nip in it town tomorrow, unless I can get somebody to get me some backer. Somebody told me to check Quid Shop, because I might be able to get some chickens in there. I need to take all the rubbish out from upstairs and sort all the clothes out. And then Sunday, we can take carpet up. And then throughout week, I can start, even if I ain't got a carpet down, I can still start getting things organised, can't I? Get all my stuff up there, my drawers up there, get it organised and that. I've got my heart set on doing it now. I've got drawers to put all my craft stuff in, and I've got them big storage boxes. They will fit a lot of stuff in, but they all need putting upstairs. And what I need to do, you know, in case I decide to do any, I'm even going to put my telly upstairs in my bedroom because I don't even watch it. Could just put it on for YouTube background noise. I won't even put it on for YouTube. That's why I've never run out of internet on my phone. I can't believe my phone bill was 38 quid for a month. That's another thing I need to do. I need to, oh God, I've got so much to do to keep my mind occupied. I've got to go in town at some point. Got all my bedroom to clear out. I've got all my craft stuff to put upstairs. I've got things to make. But if I can fit it all in one box and get all my other craft stuff upstairs, when I finally start doing my crafting upstairs, I can take it all up there and just do my crafting upstairs and upstairs only. That is just going to be my own place. I'm going to put a latch, like a little catch, on the door so nobody can go in. None of the dogs can like jump up and lift handle up and get in. Pull handle down and go in and, you know, mess about. Hello, can I help you? Can I help you? You're always here, aren't you? Hey! You never leave me alone, you lot. He's crackers, him. Amazon or any delivery men come. He runs to the door in front of me, jumping up at me, nearly breaking my neck. Right, and on way back, he casually walks in front of me, right, slow. It's like they could all be killed up asleep, right? I'll get up, go in the kitchen to make a drink, and they all jump up and follow me. Like, Timmy might just get up, stand at the door, follow me, and then when I come back in here, he'll lay back down straight away. Them dogs follow me everywhere I go. It's weird. So walk at kitchen, you know, if you've got a dog and you walk in your kitchen or walk up your stairs and that one dog follows you. I've got 4. So I'm constantly walking round them all saying, move, move. I could make something with that. I wonder if I could make something with that. See how brainy I really am. What could I use that for? I could use it for a little stool. Just put a little fairy on it. Jamesy, what on earth are you doing? Eh? Anyway, I'm going to post this. Video number about 15 today. See? Full week in the life of Tracy. I'm going to post about 200 videos this week. Oh, no, not that many. 100. 15, 35. Got post 100 after post. 30 videos a day to hit over 100. I best get working on it in a bit.